Okay, class, so we don't have a whole lot of time. All right, so, we're going to be doing time today, but not this kind of time. We're telling time today. Okay, so Miss Graham, can you tell me the difference between an analog clock and a digital clock?
In an analog clock, we can see all 12 numbers, and there's something called a minute hand and an hour hand. But with digital, we just see, digital numbers. We see the number first, which is the hour, and then the second number, which is the minutes.
Well, if the digital clock's easier, why don't we just have a digital clock?
Because some places don't have digital clocks. Like our classroom, we only have an analog clock.
So it is very important that we all know how to read an analog clock. Okay, so as Miss Graham mentioned, there's a shorthand and a longhand. So the shorthand is the hour hand. So on this analog clock, the hour hand is on the 5. And the longhand is the minute hand. So the longhand is on the 12. But wait, so it's 5:12?
No. The numbers are there for the hours, but if you are really smart, which you guys are, we've been learning how to count by fives. So each number represents 5 minutes.
Okay, so you mean 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
But when you get to 12, it's not 60 minutes, it goes back to zeros.
Okay, so it's 5:00.
Yeah, if you think about it, it's 5 o'clock because there's no minutes.
Okay, so this says 5 o'clock. But Miss Graham, what would it be for the digital clock?
Well, the hour will appear with the first number, so it's 3, and then the minutes have 00, so it's 3 o'clock.
So if we're using our example for the analog clock, it would be 5:00, but we pronounce it 5 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, some fun facts for you guys. Did you know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour? So, again, if it's 1 hour, it goes back to the 12. So it would just be 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and so on. Also, there's 30 minutes in a half hour. Miss Graham, can you show me what a half hour is?
So if the minute hand was at a half an hour, it would be right here on the 6.
So remember, students, if you are counting by fives, 60, what is half of 60? 30. And 30 is at the 6. Also, if we're talking about AM, so morning, so when the sun's up, is AM. So right now, it's not AM, it's PM, which is afternoon or night.
Mm-hmm.
It's frozen. So we're going to give you guys some examples that you have to do right here. Okay. So, can someone tell me what time is this? You're right. It's 3:50. Good job. Miss Graham, do you have an example?
I do.
This is a tricky one. Wait, what did you say?
5:40.
Good job. You guys, this is no challenge for you.
You guys are smarter
Okay,
than
so
we
for our
thought.
activity today, we're going to be putting together puzzle pieces. And Miss Graham, we really don't have a whole lot of time, so we got to get this going. Okay, so we've been working on analog clocks and digital clocks, so 2 different types of clocks. So each one of these puzzle pieces are going to have both. So you're going to have an analog clock and a digital clock. So, can you tell me what this says? Yeah, 5 o'clock.
Good job.
Can you tell me what this one says? You're right, 2:30. So these don't
I don't think
fit.
they fit.
They're not the same time. So you're going to have to look through your puzzle pieces and find the right analog clock and the digital clock that match. Oh, wait. What is this? 5 o'clock? Do you think they match? There
Perfect
you go.
fit.
All right, so students, you need to make sure that you are having both the analog clock and the digital clock matching, okay? Otherwise, it's not going to work.
Nope.
And you're going to be searching for the, oh my goodness.
We gotta go.
We got to go. Okay, make sure you do it with your partners, okay? Bye!